Guys, here we are, Colorado Springs. A couple neighbors have had our work done. You can see on a beautiful edge, keeping the lawn pretty much in place over there. Same thing at the neighbor's property over there. That one's been there for, I don't know, maybe 15 years since we've done that job there. Beautiful, beautiful rock work. Anyway, so today we're gonna be knocking out all of these beds. You can see how much the grass is overgrown and the metal edge. It's like buried. You wouldn't know it was there except for the areas where it's sticking up. So that's a pretty dangerous thing. So we're gonna pull all that out. You can see the guys doing that right now. We're gonna take our edge all the way around. It's gonna be really, really nice. Looking forward to making this absolutely gorgeous. It'll be a pretty house.